La experiencia Marriott Bonvoy es algo único, lo hemos muy trabajado para que sea algo inolvidable.
The Bonvoy moments gives the opportunity to our customers to experience something, see something, feel something you cannot buy.
Que hemos intentado que los miembros tengan una experiencia culinaria completa.
Tener la oportunidad de entrar a nuestras cocinas, de descubrir un poco la esencia de una tierra que es diferente, que es especial.
Van a tener un momento especial por nuestra forma de entender la gastronomía.
Le but, c'est de les rendre heureux et aussi de les amener dans un univers qui est le nôtre, de leur faire connaître notre cuisine, notre savoir-faire. Toute l'équipe est là pour qu'ils passent un moment unique et qu'ils en parlent partout et qu'ils gardent ça en mémoire toute leur vie, comme un cadeau.
The Marriott Bonvoy moments are unique opportunities, a glimpse into this world of truly just elite cuisine, what it means, the kitchen, the mind, the restaurant, everything.
Our class with Chef Navarro was in his actual Esfum kitchen. We were able to cook at the stove he uses.
And then cooking our own meal and learning how to do a number of things that I didn't know.
The tricks of the Michelin chefs.
When you see them in the kitchen, they just light up. It was so exciting.
The food has blown me away. It looks like something that's a work of art. It's almost too beautiful to eat it.
The best meal that I've ever had.
It's not just staying at a Marriott property, it's a whole experience.
And you walk out and you feel like you're in a movie.
It felt like a once-in-a-lifetime experience that not many people would ever get to see.
Seeing the vineyard itself and seeing how beautiful it was one thing, but actually getting to see where the wine's actually made.
We felt very privileged.
In 30 years from now, we will still think about this moment.
Anything I could have ever imagined or expected, it's surpassed all of that.
This trip has been all about personalizing it, not only to me, but the other guests who are here. Every single minute felt like I was a rock star.
It's really difficult to put into words just how special this has been.